Have you ever walked into a kitchen in autumn and instantly felt wrapped in comfort? The secret isn't expensive furniture or trendy accessories. It's the quiet power of rich color, layered textures, and treasured heritage pieces. Today, we're transforming an ordinary cottage kitchen into a warm autumn sanctuary that feels timeless, welcoming, and beautifully lived in for every gathering. Every cozy makeover begins with color. Replace bright summer accents with deep olive greens, burnt amber, warm rust, and creamy linen. These classic autumn shades create depth without overwhelming the room. Add wooden cutting boards, woven baskets, and aged brass hardware. Together, these natural elements instantly bring warmth while honoring the simple beauty of traditional cottage living. The true charm of a cottage kitchen comes from meaningful details collected over time. Display vintage stoneware, copper kettles, iron candle holders, and floral transferware on open shelves. Fold plaid tea towels beside handmade pottery. These heritage-inspired accents tell a story, making the kitchen feel personal, comforting, and filled with memories instead of looking perfectly styled or new. Lighting transforms everything as autumn evenings grow longer. Replace harsh white lighting with warm golden bulbs, glowing candles, and soft table lamps. Layer linen curtains with natural wood textures and small seasonal touches like dried wheat, miniature pumpkins, or eucalyptus wreaths. The result is a peaceful kitchen that invites slow mornings, homemade baking, and heartfelt conversations together. A beautiful autumn kitchen isn't about following every trend. It's about creating a home that welcomes family, celebrates changing seasons, and reflects timeless comfort. With rich autumn colors, heritage treasures, and thoughtful textures, your cottage kitchen becomes more than a place to cook. It becomes the heart of your home. Until next time, keep decorating with love.